is a fire in our kitchen, and my dad and my mom shout. I don't know why there's a fire. I don't know why. It's a big fire like this. Our house is not yet burned, only our kitchen. My mom shot that there is very big fire. Then my mom called my dad. My dad go away the fire with a splashing water. Everything is already okay. Goodbye. See you next tomorrow, and I'll leave my mom and go and click the subscribers.